I am from Gujarat, Nadiad. I was suffering from lichen planus in my mouth and all over the body also. It was on stomach, both the hands, on my thighs, and even on my back. Like it was horrible throughout the body, but extreme inside the mouth. And I suffered like very bad throughout the whole year. I was like running around with doctors here over. Someone said everyone's advice was different and horrible. So like I was very much depressed and I thought I am a full of a life kind of a lady, and it was totally opposite with me.
So what symptoms did you have? Taklif?
Yeah. Suddenly one day I recognized that it was some burning kind of a sensation in my mouth, and it was all of a sudden. I didn't knew. I thought कि चांदी पड़ गई है and like that. I was not able to recognize and क्या हुआ. फिर बिल्कुल तीखा खाना तो बंद हो गया, but even थोड़ा ज़्यादा नमक या like that kind of थोड़ा सा मिर्ची लग गया तो it was like burning like anything, and even whole day kept on itching throughout the body. And but I thought I lost all the hopes, and my mouth had some patchy white lacy kind of a structure in my mouth, and on both the cheeks, even on the tongue, upper and lower side of the tongue, even on the gums, whole of the mouth was covered with those white lacy kind of structures and with burning sensation. So it was very difficult to chew the food, even the food stuck in my mouth, and so like it was all running very bad. Suddenly I googled out who can be the better person to go with, because as I said, I ran around with so many allopathy doctors and took so many weird medicines and all, but there were no changes in the situation. So I googled out who can be the best doctor for this disease, and I found Dr. Rajesh Shah's name on the top for this particular medicine. I just googled in that way only, that who is the best someone told me that homeopathy has solution for this. So I googled out. Even my brother is an homeopath, but still I googled out who is best in India or best in world for the particular this Lichen Planus disease, and Dr. Rajesh Shah's name was on the top. And immediately I took the appointment in last August. And 2nd of August I was here. And that day, after meeting Dr. Shah, I was like 50% okay. I don't know why, psychologically I felt so good, and I got the confidence that I'm going to recover very soon. And even feedback by the junior doctors and their consolation and the way they treated, asked me, and like it was very nice and all. So I felt very happy being over here, and after meeting Dr. Shah, I was like, mostly I felt it is like I'm going to get better over here, what may come. So I started the medicine, and within almost 6 to 8 months, I was completely recovered. I could say बस little कहीं पे रह गया था, but that also came out, and within a year, so I was completely okay, and I was leading again my happy-go-lucky life. And so that's why I thought I should continue, and I should complete the medicine, whatever course is suggested. And again went to the doctor, and we have also suggested to our friends to, it's okay, whatever problem you have, this is one-stop solution for all.